Welcome to Let's Talk Tech. My name is Ray Cannon, and I am the Tech Integrationist for New Code Academy, grades K through 8. This week, let's take a couple of minutes to continue our talk about computer science. As we continue Think Like a Computer Scientist Month, you might hear words like creating and decomposition, and you might want to continue fostering these important skills. But first, we need to break down what they are. So let's start with decomposition. For computer scientists, this means breaking down into parts. This is an incredible skill for children to have. Often, tasks can seem overwhelming, but when students learn to break down the problem into smaller, easier to manage parts, they learn that all problems are solvable. So much of what we do as humans rely on the ability to accomplish complex tasks that at one time we had to learn step by step. In programming or coding, programmers decide what they want their avatar to be able to do. They then break down that task into smaller movements and then create the code movement by movement. They are then able to run a test on each movement separately and make adjustments as needed. Doing this is a whole lot simpler than trying to find that one line of bad code when the entire project is completed. Next, we have creating. Creating is designing and making. Children create all the time. Some do it with paper, others with fabric or yarn. But I've noticed supervising on the playground, children create games. They design a set of rules. As they play the game, they might have to come back and adjust the rules to make the game more fun or fair for everyone. Many build with Legos, and they try to build something that serves a particular purpose for them. So, what can you do at home to foster these skills? Well, creating comes naturally for many children, but I find it fun to give them a purpose for their creativity. I ask them to build a bridge that spans from one table to another, or to create something as tall as they are without it falling down. These little challenges give children the opportunity to create something that serves a purpose or solves a problem. Decomposition is problem solving. Have the children take a task like getting ready for school and work with them to break that process down into each individual task involved, like wake up, brush your teeth, get dressed, eat breakfast, log into Seesaw, and so on. Learning to spell is decomposition. Break a word down into the letters needed to spell the word correctly. Working through math problems step by step. So many ways to help children see that difficult problems can be broken down into smaller, more manageable parts. Next week, we will explore more computer science skills. And if you have questions about our computer science program at New Code Academy, you can contact me at rcannon@isd271.org, or you can message me through Seesaw. Just look for Ray Cannon. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you next week.